you're the one that I dream about. I sit alone in my room, drawing up pictures of blue skies.
Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So today's video is all about the review of the new Huda Beauty Brown Obsession one, which looks like that. I'm just going to quickly show you what the palette looks like. This is the Chocolate Obsession, while this is the Toffee Obsession, and this is the Caramel Obsession. So depending on you, depending on the look you're going for, or depending on the shades you think you will be wearing more, all these three palette looks are amazing. In my opinion, they look amazing. So this is the Caramel Obsession. Look at that, how stunning out these colors. Like seriously, you got your matte shade, you got your shimmery shades, and you got your duochrome shades as well. So that's the Caramel Obsession. And the next one here, which is the Chocolate Obsession, is more for someone that likes to create like a dark makeup, like a smoky eye look. I actually use this chocolate, palette to achieve this look right here. So that's what it looks like. You can also create a neutral shade, you can also create a neutral makeup look or everyday makeup look with this palette as well. So depending on you, depending on the look you're going for, each palette has their uniqueness to them. So depending on what shades you're more attracted to every now and then. So yeah, that's the Chocolate Obsession, which was the one that I used to create the look I'm wearing. And the last but not the least is this stunning palette right here. This is actually Toffee Obsession, right guys? If you're the type that you're not that into like a smoky eye look, but you want something very sultry, very natural, very glam at the same time, then I would definitely recommend this palette for you, because it's so stunning, guys. It's so stunning. You got your brown shimmery shades, you got your dark shade in case you want a bit of smokiness to your look, and you got your neutral shades, your shimmery shades and matte shades. Everything is all in this palette. So I'm quite a huge fan of the three palettes. So it's now left to you to decide which one you think would more gravitate towards every single day. I mean, obviously you want to buy a palette that you'll be using every now and then. So in terms of the pigment, guys, you guys already know Huda Beauty with her palettes. She is always up there when it comes to the pigmentations of her eyeshadow palette, and these are no exception, because the pigmentation is just so real and amazing. I would swatch some of the shades for you guys. She's always, oh my days, this is so gorgeous. Look at that. This is from the Caramel Obsession palette. I'm gonna swatch one more for you guys from the Caramel Obsession. Look at that, how stunning are they? So I swatched these two shades for you guys to see, and I'm gonna swatch one more from the matte shade. Guys, look at that, the Caramel Obsession. 3 shades from the Caramel Obsession. Look at that, how amazing is that? The pigmentation is real, guys. The pigmentation is absolutely real. I am loving it so far, and I used the chocolate one for you guys to see earlier, so you guys might have already been able to tell how pigmented that is. So I'm going to swatch one shade from, ooh la la, look at that. I don't know if you guys can see that. The camera is not picking that up. Guys, you need to see these shades in real life. They are absolutely stunning. And not just stunning, but pigmentation as well is just unreal. Like seriously, guys. I'm gonna swatch one more shade from this palette for you guys to see. Oh my gosh, my hands are dirty, so I don't want to like mess it up. Let's try this brown shade from the Toffee Obsession. I'm just gonna swatch that on this side for you guys to see. Wow, just one swipe, guys, look at that. How amazing is this? Like, seriously. And for the price, it's no brainer because she always come up with this gorgeous packaging. Guys, look at that. The packaging are absolutely stunning as well. When you talk about the packaging, you'll be confused about which one to go for, apart from the shades and the palettes and all of that. But the packaging is really cheeky, very stylish, and also travel friendly. I really love this, and I love the fact that all our small, you know, palette comes with mirrors, which is a bonus for me, which I'm really loving at the moment. I really can't tell you guys which one to go for. As I mentioned earlier, it depends on you, it depends on the look you really think you'll be creating all the time. But if you're the type that like, you know, more of late night look, you need a palette for a late night look, then I would definitely recommend this one. Really more for date night looks. And also you can get away with using it during the day as well. Depending on you, you can go for the neutral shades for, you know, a simple everyday makeup look. And definitely whichever one you go for with these three palettes, you will get your money's worth. Must confess, I'm always looking forward to, you know, our eyeshadow palette because she's always very creative with the colors, with the pigmentation, and how she lay out the palettes as well. It's just so amazing, in my opinion, really, seriously. So look at that, guys. What is there not to love about this palette? The pigmentation, the, you know, packaging wise, and, you know, I really like them, to be honest. Genuinely, I would definitely recommend you buy more than one, trust me. And if I am to choose which one to buy based on my opinion, I would say buy the two, because I am confused as to which one I love most, because they're all unique. You know, they all have this uniqueness to them, so it's very difficult to say, oh, choose this, choose that, or pick this, pick that. So it depends on you, as I mentioned earlier. So would I recommend this palette? Definitely I will, because I will recommend them. In terms of packaging, tick. In terms of pigmentation, tick. In terms of the palette layout, tick. In terms of the color range, tick. And in terms of how travel friendly it is, definitely tick. So let me know if you guys have tried any of this palette or play with them, or if you have any question about any of this palette, just feel free to leave a comment down below. I'll be happy to answer your question. And thank you guys so much for watching. Stay tuned to my channel for more videos, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye guys. And another thing that I really like about this palette is the fact that there's minimal to no fallout at all. It's not that, you know, Huda Beauty I've always, you know, been like hope that when it comes to an eyeshadow palette, because there was no fallout at all, and even if there was, just minimal, you can barely see it. So that for me is also amazing. The packaging comes with these face mask. Let's see how that looks.